it's very, very accepted kasi bata pa lang ako is marami na ako talagang mga naging kaibigan na katulad nila. And I think they're one of the most talented, most gifted, and most artistic people in the world. So sana ho, wag ho natin silang ibahan ng pagtrato dahil parte ho sila ng ating mundong ginagalawan. And yes, sana ho, lahat ho tayo ay mag-iingat ho sa ating mga nakakasama at kung sa mga mahalo natin sa buhay para hindi ho natin sila madamay, use condom.
Ayan! Very simple message and we really appreciate it. Sama naman daw. Ayan, ang iyong golden voice. Let's rock the world.
Anong gusto niyo marinig? Wait, bawal ako talagang kumanta niyan live.
Bakit ka bawal kumanta?
Yes, it's nasa kontrata ko kasi. Hindi ko
so
talaga siya
it's
pwedeng
against
kantahin. So, I'm so sorry. Kantahan ko na lang kayo ng iba. Okay lang?
Alam na lang daw. Okay. Palakpakan naman.
Okay lang. Okay, lalapit ako sa inyo para mas ano ha. Okay. I could stop dreaming but it never ends. As long as you're gone, we may as well pretend I've been dreaming straight from the heart. Oh, give it to me straight from the heart. Tell me we can make another start. You know I'll never go as long as I know it's coming straight from the
One love!
all age day po. Thank you.
And happy Pride! Thank you, Mr. Ernel Pineda. Maraming salamat. Happy Pride and one love. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's rock